Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Bits with Aniket. We are starting new series Python for AI and machine learning. So welcome to the first video for our Python for AI and machine learning series. Today we are starting with the absolute basics, variable, loops and functions. Stay tuned till the end because we will build a mini project too. In our first step, we are seeing variables, then data types, loops. In loops, we are seeing for and while loops, then functions, and one small mini project, which is the combination of above four items. Let's start with variables. What is variable? A variable is a simply name that refers to a value. Means a variable is like a container that holds a value. For example, if I say name is equal to Alice, or age is equal to 25, or height is equal to 5.6, we are storing the information inside the memory so can we use it later. Means we are storing that Alice name in name variable. So in the memory against the name variable there will be a Alice name. Then 25 is stored against age, means in the memory in the age variable there is a value 25. Then height is equal to 5.6, means 5.6 value is stored in the height. We can see that value by using print, display, or directly entering that variable name. Let's see. Here we used print function to see the value stored in name. So just print in bracket name and then hit enter. You can see Alice. Similarly, we can see the value by using display function, or we can directly type the variable name and enter in empty cell.